Jeffrey, do you come here freely and without reservations to join together in marriage today?
I do.
Do you choose Geneviève to be your wife?
I do.
And to you, Geneviève, do you come here freely and without reservations to be married today?
I do.
Perfect. Will you promise to laugh with him, go on adventures with him, support him through life's tough moments, be proud of him, grow old with him, and find new reasons to love him every day?
I do.
So I'd just like to say thanks to everyone for showing up for this extraordinary day that we've been waiting for so long, Jeff.
And I started to think pretty long and deep about how long you guys have been together. It's been quite a long time, and this day has been a long time coming. And because Jeff is the first LaPointe son to tie the knot.
I'm beyond excited to be your wife. You are the perfect man for me, and I can't wait to share the rest of my life with you. Now let's go do this thing.
I am so proud to stand in front of you as the father of the bride, celebrating the wedding of Geneviève and Jeff. It is with great pleasure that I welcome Jeff and all his family, including Anna, Steve, and Andy, who are here tonight, to our family.
What can I say? When you marry a LaPointe, you're in for quite a ride, as you know. There's going to be, I guarantee you, there's always going to be a lot of laughs.
All right, let's fucking do this.
I first heard about Jen as the nurse with the really great hair. And little did I know we would become inseparable. And from that day forward, I would be known as the friend of the nurse with the really great hair.
To my wife, Geneviève Lapointe. Today is an exciting day, one like no other for us. When we first met, things seemed simple or easy. Family, friends, make money, spend money. Thank you for being my rock, and I'm happy to be yours. My gift to you is nothing fancy. My gift is a promise to be my best self with you, to enjoy this life together and smile and laugh. Let's have some fun with this night and life. Love you forever and always, Jeff.
Geneviève,
Okay.
je suis fier de toi. Tu es ma petite fille, mon rayon de soleil. Et peu importe ton âge, tu seras toujours cette chose-là pour moi.
Her presence, especially in my formative years, played a big part in who I am today. And I'm overjoyed to be standing beside her while she marries her best friend.
I think back when Jen started dating Jeff, they'd only been dating for a couple of months. And Geneviève came home and she said, "Mom, he's the man I'm going to marry." She said, "Mom, I can't imagine my life without him." And here we are today, 7 years later. Jeff, what took you so long?
I'm truly proud of Jeffrey and all that he's accomplished so far in his life. He's a good brother to Trevor, Andrew, Danny, and Shane, and he's a wonderful son to me. He's the kind of guy that calls his mother on a regular basis, and I say, any guy that loves his mother and calls her is a good man, and you got a good man, Jen.
Jeff, you're a byproduct of your great family, and you followed in those family traditions of opening up your door to anyone you care. You are truly one of the most loyal people we all know, and would stop at nothing to make a friend, a family member, and now a beautiful wife feel more comfortable and taken care of. I love you like a brother, man.
Jeff and I met with our jerseys off, slugging pints 10 years ago, and since then our bodies have transformed a little bit, but our love for music and our love for pints have stayed the same, so it's been great.
So true.
Anna, I look up to you in awe after raising this wonderful man I now call my husband. You are such a strong, loving, giving, and warm-hearted woman, and I will forever be grateful that you have welcomed me into your family. Dad, when I look at you, do you know what I see? I see an amazing, strong, resilient, loving man who has always taken care of me. Been there for me in too many ways to count. And most of all, loved me from day one. Thank you for being the best dad a girl could ask for. And I will always love you.
Monique and JP, thank you for how you've treated me like the son you both never had. You cook me huge meals, you give me power tools, you go golfing with me, and you let me sleep in when I need to. Your family's so warm, so kind, but beware. My French is getting a little bit stronger, so I know when you're talking about me now. I've always taken a lot of pride in where I come from. We're a colorful bunch, our family. Big pack of boys, loud and proud. But the truth of the matter is, Mom is our leader and always has been. So thanks again. Yeah. To my dad, Jim LaPointe. I know he's here tonight, and it's funny because I don't know if anyone's ever heard this before. When you find a dime, it means someone's looking down on you. I found a dime tonight, right under my foot, where I was standing, getting married to my beautiful wife.
Today, Genevieve and Jeffrey demonstrate their commitment, devotion, and mutual respect, as well as their faith and love in one another. Therefore, it is my honor and delight to declare you from this moment forward, husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
God bless, and I love all of you guys. Let's have some fun.